Slay the Spire 2 won't open? Here are the fixes, fastest first. Open Steam, right-click Slay the Spire 2, hit Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. Steam will re-download anything broken. Try launching now. If that fixed it, drop a comment saying fixed. If it's still not opening, run as administrator. In Steam, right-click the game, go to Manage, then browse local files. Find slaythespire2.exe, right-click it, hit Properties, go to Compatibility, and check Run this program as an administrator. Hit Apply, then OK. Try launching now. If it's still not working, update your GPU drivers. Outdated drivers are the most common reason games silently refuse to open. Open your browser and grab the latest driver from NVIDIA or AMD, whichever card you have. For NVIDIA, it's nvidia.com/drivers. For AMD, it's amd.com/support. Install, reboot, then try again. If it's still not launching, Slay the Spire 2 requires DirectX 12. If you're fine there, temporarily disable Windows Firewall. Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and try again. Windows sometimes blocks new games on first launch. The game should open cleanly now. Drop a comment saying fixed. Or if it's still not launching, tell me exactly what you see on screen.